Hello, friends. Hope you're well, and I'm back with the more exciting ideas of balcony garden decor. So, if you're lucky enough to have a balcony, you know just how wonderful it can be to have an outdoor space all to yourself. And while it may be small with a bit of creativity, you can transform your balcony into beautiful garden oasis. So here in this video, I'm gonna give you some balcony garden decor ideas to inspire you. So first is consider the plants you want to include in your balcony garden. Depending on the amount of sun your balcony gets, you may be able to grow anything from flowers and herbs to small trees and shrubs. Choose plants that fit your style and are appropriate for your balcony conditions. Once you have selected your plants, it's time to think about containers. There are many different types of containers available, from traditional clay pots to modern planters made from recycled materials. You can even repurpose old items like teacups or boots in the unique planter. Just make sure the containers you choose have drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. In addition to plants, you can also add decorative elements to your balcony garden. Consider adding outdoor lighting such as string lights or lanterns to create a cozy ambience. So, you can also add outdoor cushions and pillows to your seating area for extra comfort and style. So, in the last, with a bit of creativity and planning, you can transform your balcony into a beautiful garden oasis. By selecting the right plants, containers, and decorative elements, you can create a space that's both functional and stylish. And when you create your balcony with these ideas, do comment us and share your experience with us. And from where you're watching this video, do tell us. We will like to thank you all. So, if you like our channel and if you like our videos, subscribe us and hit the like button so that you can get immediately notification of our videos for more ideas. I hope so you like it. Keep